We're working on the first two challenges for the lesson assignment and incrementation. The first challenge asks us what's the value of x after the following code executes, and we're given x equals 10, x plus equals 2. This is an incrementation operator. We're saying this is the same as x is equal to x plus 2. Right? We're just using some shorthand and breaking that down into x plus equals 2. So we go ahead and check 12, and we can see that is correct. And we can see, right, this is shorthand. On the second challenge, we're asked, what's the value of y after the following code executes? We start with y equals 8, and then we're saying y mod equals 3. So this is, again, shorthand for y equals y mod 3. So 8 mod 3 is equal to 2. So after this second step, 2 is our value for y. And then again, we're saying y exponent equals 2. So this is saying y is equal to y squared, right? Y up to this point is equal to 2. 2 squared is 4. So we can go ahead and check that out. See, that is indeed the correct answer. That's it for these two challenges. The third challenge is going to have its own video. I'll see you over there in just a second.